Hi folks, welcome back to this particular channel. I have great announcement for you folks. Okay, so I'm announcing one another particular course in Udemy where you can join and learn about more about the prompt, and still more videos has to come. Okay, for curriculum to see, you can just check it out. I will be attaching in her description. You can watch that. I have attached that in the description, so you can go and check it out. Okay, so this is particular course that I have launched. Okay, so I have shared the coupon code with you folks, so you can just try to okay. Right now I am running a 50% discount folks, so you can check it out first. It is for 5 days. I'm just releasing this particularly, so you can just check it out and grab this offer. So it's not mandatory that you need to do it, but this kind of a courses that will be launching in my channel as well, but it will be after, when it is I don't know, like after 6 months maybe, or after 8 months maybe, I will be launching this for free. Okay, after 4 months or after 8 months I will be launching this particular effective writing a better effective prompts and all you will be understanding here. Welcome back to this particular. If you just watch here, okay, I will show you here. All right, so if you just go to this particular link, right, so I will be attaching in the description, so you can grab this part. Okay, if you just see, here you will be able to see this particular one. If you just preview this particular course, see.
Want to master Chat GPT and unlock its full potential? Welcome to Learn Prompts How to Chat GPT, the ultimate course to transform the way you work, create, and communicate. In this course, you'll learn how to craft powerful prompts, automate tasks, generate high-quality content, and boost your productivity, all with AI. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, student, or professional, Chat GPT can revolutionize the way you work. We'll show you how. Prompt engineering best practices, real-world applications, hands-on demos and exercises, AI-powered productivity hacks. So, are you ready to become a ChatGPT pro? Enroll now and take your AI skills to the next level.
So this is particular intro part. Okay, so you can just enroll this particular enroll for 5 days folks. This offer for 5 days only. Okay, so this is the first day that I have added here, so you can just check it out. For 4 days this particular price it will be. After that maybe it may go beyond 799 or 1000 as well, like as a content, as after 2 months down the line this price may go increasing. Okay, so kind of a content you will be going to get it in further. This is not the this two topics. I will be adding a lot more content, writing effective, writing use cases, case studies, lot more things will be able to come. Okay, so for now this is part we are focusing about. Okay, so requirement is you don't have to have the free like ChatGPT plus subscription. If you have ChatGPT free subscription, you can get started with learn this particular prompt engineering. Whether you are beginner, whether you are experienced, the prompting is for everyone. Okay, so this is a particular course that I will be gonna put into the description. Coupon code also I will be adding, so you can attach that coupon code and you can just enroll this today or whenever you feel that the things is there. Okay, so let me know in a comment section below folks, if you just give me your responses if you want this thing to be free, like how things should be there. So let me know in the comment down below, like kind of a things. I cannot give you a free. I can allocate like top 5 students I can bring in and allocate them as this course as a free. Okay, just comment down below how the course I can create, how things should be there. Okay, for getting some I will be choosing some students to give you this particular course for free. Okay, so let me know in a comment down below the course. I know the fact that giving the content for free, it will be no value, but the things is like this. Okay, just take this particularly and let me know in comment down below, folks. That's it from my side. That's it here in this particular how you can create a prompts, effective prompts. That is the thing here in this particular video. I wanted to share this particular things. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this particular video. We will see you in the next video.